In the world of grilling and smoking, there's one name that has been stirring up a sizzling sensation: Traeger. From backyard BBQ enthusiasts to seasoned pitmasters, the Traeger grill has ignited a wildfire of excitement with its innovative grills and smokers. But what exactly is the hype all about, and why are Traeger products taking the culinary world by storm? Let's delve into the Traeger phenomenon and discover what sets them apart. At its core, Traeger is more than just a brand. It represents a revolution in the way we approach outdoor cooking. Founded in 1985 by Joe Traeger, the company pioneered the development of pellet grills, a concept that has transformed the grilling industry. Traditionally, grilling and smoking required a meticulous balance of fuel, heat, and airflow. Traeger simplified the process by introducing a digital controller that automatically regulates temperature, ensuring consistent and precise cooking results every time. One of the key factors behind Traeger's popularity lies in the unparalleled convenience it offers. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, Traeger grills are designed to make outdoor cooking accessible and enjoyable for everyone. With just a push of a button, you can set your desired temperature and let the grill do the rest. The advanced technology monitors and adjusts the heat accordingly, freeing you up to socialize with guests or attend to other tasks without the constant need for supervision. This effortless experience is life-changing as griller and has attracted a wide range of users, from busy families seeking convenience to grill enthusiasts seeking culinary perfection. Traeger's versatility is another aspect that has enthusiasts buzzing with excitement. These grills are not limited to just grilling or smoking. They excel at both and much more. The ability to sear a perfectly charred steak, smoke a tender rack of ribs, bake a wood-fired pizza, or roast a succulent chicken has made Traeger a go-to choice for those who crave culinary diversity. With Traeger, you can explore a world of flavors, experimenting with different types of wood pellets that infuse your food with unique smoky profiles, elevating your grilling game to a whole new level. The Traeger community, often referred to as the Traegerhood, has played a significant role in the brand's soaring popularity. Traeger enthusiasts form a passionate and tightly knit community, sharing recipes, tips, and tricks, creating a sense of camaraderie and support. From online forums to social media groups, Traeger owners are quick to lend a helping hand, making the journey into outdoor cooking an exciting and collaborative adventure. Moreover, Traeger's commitment to quality craftsmanship has instilled confidence in consumers. Traeger grills are built to last, utilizing durable materials that can withstand the rigors of outdoor cooking. From the sturdy construction to the precision engineering, Traeger has established a reputation for reliability and longevity. Their dedication to customer satisfaction is evident through their outstanding warranty and responsive customer service, ensuring that the Traeger experience extends beyond the initial purchase. In recent years, Traeger has expanded its product line to cater to different needs and preferences. From compact portable grills for tailgating to large capacity grills for hosting grand backyard feasts, Traeger has something for everyone. The company has also ventured into smart grill technology, incorporating Wi-Fi connectivity and smartphone apps that allow users to monitor and control their grills remotely. This integration of technology has not only simplified the cooking process further, but has also attracted a tech-savvy generation of grill enthusiasts. As the Traeger hype continues to build momentum, it's important to acknowledge that this phenomenon is not solely based on clever marketing or fleeting trends. Traeger has revolutionized outdoor cooking by offering a unique blend of convenience, versatility, and quality. With their innovative approach and commitment to enhancing the cooking experience, Traeger has sparked a passion for grilling and smoking that transcends the boundaries of traditional backyard cooking. So if you find yourself captivated by the aroma of smoldering wood pellets and the desire to create mouth-watering dishes, it might be time to join the Traegerhood. Embrace the sizzle, explore new flavors, and elevate your outdoor cooking game with Traeger, a brand that has transformed the backyard into a culinary playground. Thanks for watching.